Hey y'all, it's Alicia and I'm back with another video. This is a really nice, simple, warm, brown, smoky eye. Honestly, you know how your girl is. 2-3 shadows, that's it. So it's very beginner friendly. I really like how the look turned out. Super easy. I know we're still in quarantine, but things are slowly opening. So this would be a really nice date night look, patio season kind of look. I'm really waiting to go back to the patio with my girls so I can sip on some sangrias and whatnot. But I really liked how this look turned out. So if you did too, definitely thumbs it up. Leave a comment down below. Follow me on all my social media. And now let's get into the video. Deuces. Hey guys, so I am starting with my brows already on. And I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Original Primer Potion all over my lid. Just as a base for the shadows I'm going to be using. It's gonna be like a simple like matte brown smoky eye, like a chocolate brown smoky eye. I really like those, and because I'm heading off to work, it's just gonna be super easy and quick to do, and especially that everything's opening up again, it'd be a nice look for a date if you are ready to go out like that. I'm going to be taking the Sassy Siennas palette from Dose of Colors. I received this in like a BoxyCharm box like months ago. And I'm going to go in with the color, I want to say this is Oh So Sassy, all over the lid. Next, I am going to just use a clean blending brush and like blend out the edges before I go in with my transition shade. Like so. Then I'm going to take the same brush and use the Bossy shade right here in my transition color. Actually, I lied. I'm going to go with a different crease brush and put that Bossy color in my transition crease area. This palette is super pigmented. I'm loving it. Next, going off camera, I'm going to use my Essence Liquid Ink Liner to line my upper lash line, as well as I'm going to go in with my House of Lashes Azalea Lashes, and I'll be right back. So this is what it's looking like with the lashes and the liner on. Y'all know how I do. I like to keep my looks super simple and easy, like out the door, because I'm always running late. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas as my primer. I've been really liking this. So the next VIB sale, I might have to, you know, purchase this bad boy. If you've used it before, let me know in the comments down below how you liked it. I am gonna set my like nose area with the Laura Mercier translucent powder before I go in with my foundation. So I've been finding that lately doing that whole like technique has really toned down the T-zone oiliness by the end of the day. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the color Kampala. Next, I'm gonna go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer right here in the shade Caramel to highlight and brighten up my face. So next, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Cream Bronzer in Chocolate. With a light hand because it is pretty dark, I guess. like so. I think I'm gonna try the Fenty cream blush today. 1 second. So for the Fenty cream blush, it is in the shade Summertime Wine. It's this bad boy right here. Just like that. I am gonna set under my eye with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder before I start creasing. Not that I find I really crease, to be honest, y'all. For my bronzed area, I'm gonna set it with the Sephora Collection Break Bronzer Duo in Spicy Heat. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna take my Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder in Tan. Like so. Going back to the eyes with the Sassy Sienna's palette, I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with Stay Sassy. Oh So Sassy, then Bossy. But before I do that, I'm gonna line my lower lash line with a black liner. I'm gonna use the Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Pencil in black, just on my waterline. Like so. I like it looking a little messy, so when I blend it out, it just gives it that nice smoky effect. So I'm gonna go in with this one first and that one. Then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Full Frontal Mascara on my lower lash line, or my lower lashes I should say. add a little depth to the look. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel London Wild Clover lip pencil just to line it and fill in. And then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow to finish the look. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, definitely subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see on this channel as we continue with these quarantine weeks that are ahead of us. And yeah, follow me on all my social media. It will be all listed down below. And I'll see y'all in another one real soon. Bye, guys.